Fucking, what kind of crazy looking motherfucker I got working over here today. Look at this shit. Got shit all up on top of his head and stuff. Look like he's gonna kill somebody. Look at this shit. He got barbed wire eyebrows and shit. Say like eating people, bitches' assholes and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what he say, Irsh?
That's right. Nothing better than that. Oh, nice and sweaty.
You like a fucking nice sweaty asshole to that guy in there and there. You know what I mean? I did, you know, that's a working fucker though. Anyway, today he's fucking cleaning all this shit off the side of the house. All these vines off the side of the house. All that fucking brush and every fucking thing. Scraping that shit off the bricks. Oh man, you know, there you go. Damn. Damn, I look crazy, man. Huh? Alright, you ready? What we're doing today is I stopped this morning and got a pile of baseboard, some 5.5 inch and some 3 1/4 inch. We'll put the 3 1/4 in the bathroom and the 3 1/4 in the fucking with the bead on the top of it in the master bathroom. And then I'm going to use the tall baseboard for this room and that room. So that's what we got going on right there. Some baseboard right here. I'm measuring to put down some hardy board. We got Irsh out there fucking pulling vines off the side of the house and shit. Crazy dude. Scraping that shit off the side of the house out there. And so I'm gonna go ahead on down and see if I can go down and get all this hardy board down. And I found my trowels for my tile and for my tile mud. I didn't know there. That's a good thing. So I can actually start laying some tile down in here today. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this, get the rest of this shit cut for in there and all around this motherfucker. Start laying some tile. Day 31. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut all my hardibacker and laid it down where it's gonna go at. So all I gotta do is come back in here now with a screw gun and screw it all down. It's all fit where it's gonna be and all that shit. Cut them in the biggest pieces I could, you know. And fit them around that shit. Then come on back in here now and screw all this shit down. So we're now at the end of the day. And Irsh has fucking got all that fucking shit cleaned up off the house out here. Real nice. Tore up all that fucking old garden fence and everything that was right there. Pulled all that fucking weeds and vines and damn ivy and shit all off the house and took a 501 and scraped that shit all down. He's in the middle over here now fucking mowing all this shit up and cutting all these trees and shit down. Scraping all that shit up off of the fucking house and everything. She's got that fucking coming out fucking eventually. We get that shit up cleaned up tomorrow right there. That's a double gate. Check that out. You can back a vehicle through that. Couldn't even tell it before. So he's gonna get that all straight. I'm gonna come back over here tomorrow and do some more shit. Clean the gutter, scrape this shit off, fucking clean all that shit up, trim that bush down. Dave cut that tree down that was sitting in the backyard. They got the 5 1/4 inch baseboard put up in the room. It comes up nice and high off the floor to cover up all the shit where them fucking old baseboards were. That shit looks good as hell. And then here, fucking started putting it down in this room.
Just gotta sand that wall.
Gotta fucking sand that wall right there. You got all that baseboard up right there. That shit looks good. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. And that fucking bathroom. You got the basic tile layout down there. I've been laid them out, fucking figure out how that's gonna fucking work out in the floor. Cause I don't want to shoot myself. I got 30 tiles and there's some old tiles that was found out in the garage. So I just went on and laid them down. And by the morning time they'll be hardened up. I ain't seen no chance since the fucking going on that something to cut nothing, considering my fucking rubber hoses on my damn tile saw kind of busted up a little bit. So I'm just gonna stop and get some hose in the morning when I go get some more hardware and shit like that. But all these fucking tiles are gonna lay out from here and come out through here, 12 by 12. So I fucking got the 1/4 inch spacers. Eventually I'll put the grout in, and then I'll put my baseboards up. Get that little piece of scrap baseboard right there, so I know that I came out the maximum amount away from the fucking wall as possible to utilize all the tile. Use a wider grout line spacer and stuff like that to try to conserve tile. So I'm thinking that we're gonna make it no problem. Definitely gonna fucking make it out of that. So that's what that's gonna be. It's too bad that I don't have enough to do the fucking closet. But we'll go ahead on by tomorrow. I'll have all the tile down in here. And then by the next day, I'll go ahead on tomorrow. After I do this first thing, I'll go ahead and do something else. And then the next day I'll come in and I'll grout it and everything. I'll have to put a piece of cord around, put a piece of PVC cord around that in front of that tub because it dips in the bottom. And then once I get my baseboards up and it's all done, I set my toilet. Then I'm gonna come in here with some tub and tile shit and seal up all around that damn shower stall and fix all them cracks and shim that bitch back and get that going on. They go ahead on and cut the trim to go down the sides of the doors and everything, put that fucking plumbing access thing back on, and cut the trim off the sides of the doors and stuff with Jordan to fucking adjust it so that it fits in the floor and all whatnot. Back here, Dave took a piece of 3 1/4 inch fucking baseboard, and he continued that area over there where the old fucking radiator heater was. So that's about what happened today. Shit's starting to come off the house, so when we do finish in here, we can just jump right outside and start replacing the rotted wood and clean the shit up and everything like that. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the like button if you like the video. Hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And watch some of the other 320 videos that we've uploaded on how to do shit, how-to reviews, whatnot. And that is the end of this day. Stay tuned for tomorrow, day 32 of our house renovation.